Deleting your TurboTax account is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can delete your TurboTax account. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you have to, contact the customer service of the TurboTax and request them to, delete your account. You won't simply be able to delete your account on your own. Now, in order to contact the customer service, you need to follow these instructions. First things first, sign into your TurboTax account. Once you are in, type contact us in the search bar. Now select the contact us button from the results. Now select the pencil icon to enter your question and select let's talk. And now choose the option between. Either you can post your question on the community, but we want to cancel the subscription, so we will go for talking one-on-one with the live TurboTax expert. Now you just have to, get a call. You will easily be able to talk to him and try to sort things out for you. He might be able to delete the account for you. If the account, he won't be able to delete it, which means your account cannot be deleted and you just have to abandon it. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.